Hello, welcome. I'm so excited to have you here. I'm so happy to have you here. So, if you're here, it means that you are intentional about making money. You're not just here by surprise, you are here because you are intentional on making money. Now, if you give me just few minutes of your time, I'm going to be showing you a walkthrough on how you can start earning passive income in dollars every single day, and you can be using this strategy to earn up to $1,000 every single month. I know $1,000 a lot in your life. Now, if you're a Nigerian, $1,000 here in Nigeria is about 750,000 naira. If you are actually getting access to this video webinar, you can just exchange it in your local currency. You know how much it is. I mean, that's a whole lot. All right. Now, in this training, I'm going to be showing you a simple business model you can just leverage, make a whole lot for yourself. Yet it is highly profitable, yet risk-free business model. Now, this training is not just for everyone. Yes, it's not just for everyone. It is for these specific people, this specific person. So if you're one of these person, or if you belong to this category of these people, then you need to watch. In fact, you need to attend this webinar to the very end. You don't need to skip any part. Watch it to the very end so you will not miss any single secret I'll be revealing in this webinar. All right. So this training is for those who are looking for extra way to earn daily passive income in dollars. So if you're somebody that you have been looking for a way to actually earn in dollars profitably in dollars, this is for you. This training is for you. Okay, do not skip this video. Get to the end of this video, okay, to actually see the reason why you should start earning in dollars every single day. Okay, we understand the situation of the country right now. If you're Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, Kenya, you understand the situation, the economy of the country right now. So you need something to sustain, something that will be making you money on a daily basis, something that you will not lack any single penny, okay, on a daily basis, because you have something that is generating you passive income. So that's the only way you can actually cope in this kind of economy. So here is the good news. You are about to get access to this simple business model, yet risk-free, that helps you do so. Now, this trading is also for crypto newbies. If you're a crypto newbie watching this video, don't worry, it is completely 100% for you. Yes, because you don't need too much technicalities. You don't need to be crypto expert before you profit from this business model. Okay, it is also for those who are business owners. So if you're a business owner, this training is for you. It is also for undergraduates, graduates, or even 9 to 5 workers. So if you belong to one of these things I just mentioned here, then give me your ears, okay? Because I'm about to shock you in this training, okay? So, because after this training, you'll be able to earn at least $1,000 every single 30 days, okay? So, this is my sincere promise to you as you are watching. In fact, as you are getting access to this is my sincere promise to you. I promise you that if you stick or stay in this video webinar in the next 45 minutes of this training, if you stick to the very end, I'm going to be showing you what this business called arbitrage trading is all about. Yes, remember, this business is called arbitrage trading. I'm going to be showing you what this arbitrage trading is all about. Number two, I'm going to be showing you different forms of arbitrage trading which are highly profitable and how you can profit from them to make massive income for yourself. I'm going to also show you how I and my students are making at least minimum of $1,000 every 30 days with this arbitrage profit system. And the last, which is very, very important. In fact, this is the reason why you need to watch this video to the very end. This is the reason why you don't need to skip any part, because this is where I will be enriching you with so many goodies. This is there's a special giveaway offer which is worth over $500. $500 in Nigeria is about 350,000 naira. Now, this giveaway offer is waiting for you if you stick to the very end of this video. Yes, if you stick to the very end of this video, this giveaway is waiting for you. Just like Victor at the right hand side of this screen, you can see what he said. He said, "Thanks, boss. Just through with the teachings. It's so mind blowing." This is the testimonial Victor gave when you actually stick to the very end of this video webinar. So I wish you could also give me such testimony, okay, when you are done with it as well. I know you might be asking, who am I? Like, who is this guy? Why will you listen to me? And this is why you will listen to me. This is why you pay attention and listen to me. First of all, my name is Nwachukwu Siria Nzubechukwu. My students and my working colleagues, my entrepreneurs mates, they call me Siri Zubi. Of course, I'm a Nigerian. Yes, I'm a Nigerian. And also a crypto trader, crypto enthusiast, and an online entrepreneur with over 7 years experience. Yes, I love crypto so much. In fact, crypto have made me so much wealth that I could ever imagine. So I'm the CEO of the Exchange Crypto Academy, where I train people on how to profit from cryptocurrency and all that. So with my experience in this particular opportunity I'm about to reveal to you, I've trained over 800 successful students, and they're making it every single day. So you could be part of these 800 students and the part of the success, and so you could give me your own testimonies as well. Remember, I'm always here to help you win. I'm always here to help you make a fortune for yourself. All right. So that is if you stick with me. Now, what this is not, of course, so many things might be going on your mind right now. Is this or is that? Now, let me tell you what this opportunity is not all about. What this opportunity is not all about. It's not a crypto trading whereby you need signals to trade. It's not you don't need technical analysis for you to trade and cash out. You don't need all that. It's not an affiliate marketing where you need to sell products or services to make money. You're not selling anything. You're not recommending anything. You're not also showing anybody any product for them to buy for you to make profit. No. This is a simple business model that requires zero stress, zero risk involved. Just take your phone, do it, and make money for yourself on every day. It's not also a forex trading. Neither is it an investment scheme whereby you need to invest your money and expect it to grow overnight. It is not that kind of thing. It is not a Ponzi scheme or networking platform of whatsoever. It's not a networking whereby you need to bring your mom, your dad, your parents, your brother, sister, your village people for you to earn money from it. No, it is not all that. This is a different case entirely. Okay, and only few set of people actually know about this. Only few people who knows about it are making from it every single day to make profit every single day. So you could be part of that 1% of those people who are making it every single day. If you stick to the very end, remember always say that. Now, this business model is called arbitrage trading. I know you might be hearing about arbitrage trading before, but maybe you don't really understand what it's all about. Now, let me tell you. Arbitrage means taking advantage of price differences across markets to make a buck. Making a buck is make a profit or make money. If a currency, commodity, or security, or even a rare pair of sneaker is priced differently in two separate markets, traders buy the cheaper version, then sell it at a higher price to make money. Let me break it down. Don't mind this whole grammar. Have you ever go to the market to purchase something at a very cheap rate and you go to the another customer to resell that same thing at a higher rate? Imagine you go to the market to purchase a pair of shoes with $10. $10 is 7,500 naira here in Nigeria, and you go to another shop, okay, that needs that same thing, that same pair of shoes, to resell it for $20. You see, you have made extra $10 profit from it, which is 75. Okay, so this is all what is arbitrage trading. This is what you've been doing, you may be doing, it, but you don't know you are doing it. This is one of the oldest business model. In fact, it is the oldest business model, yet profitable. Every person does it. Every business owner does it. Any person that, even if you are selling something, you do arbitrage trading. But meaning, maybe you don't know you are doing arbitrage, or maybe you don't know that the name is arbitrage trading. Now let's bring it to cryptocurrency world. When it comes to crypto, taking advantage of the price difference of the price difference of a particular coin in different exchanges to make profit, what you did is called an arbitrage trading. Yes, let's say you use $10 to buy 50 pieces of a coin in exchange A, and then resell it back in exchange B. That same 50 pieces of a coin, you resell it back in exchange B for a rate of $30, and you have made $20 profit. That is, you just did an arbitrage trading, taking advantage of the price difference of the same cryptocurrency or the same coin in two different exchanges to make profit. All right, and you can do this over and over again to make profit for yourself with no risk involved. You're not losing any money. Now, there are several models of arbitrage trading, which I'm going to mention. Number one is launchpad arbitrage trading. Number two is coin listing arbitrage, OTC arbitrage, which means over the counter arbitrage, the pair arbitrage. All these models of arbitrage trading are highly profitable in the sense that you can be making at least $500 every single, even if you are lazy, every 14 days. You can be making $500 to $1,000 every 14 days. They are highly profitable as you see them. Okay. Now, when it comes to launchpad arbitrage refers to a situation where a particular crypto exchange gives opportunity to buy a pre-listed coin at a discounted or lower price before it gets listed on the exchange. This is where an exchange is about to launch a coin on a pre-listing price, which is considered very low. So when you actually participated in that launch pad, remember, it's not to that particular coin that is yet to launch, is not trading in another exchange. This is the first time of launching it. So when you participated in this particular launch pad, you're going to make profit immediately it's being launched. And the launching doesn't take time. It takes 24 hours to 48 hours to get launched. So which means you can make profit every single day or 2 days intervals. Okay. Now, below at the right hand side, you can see the picture is a perfect example of launchpad arbitrage trading. The name of the coin is POMB. And you can see the price of their price per POMB, which is 0.016 cents. Now imagine you actually used $100 or $1,000 or whichever capital you want to use to actually purchase the particular coin in a large quantity, and immediately resell it back on the launching. Okay, resell it back at a higher rate. It could be $1, it could be 0.1 cent, it could be 0.5 cent, but it must definitely be higher than it was when you actually purchase it. So you can see the date of it. You can see the date. You can see the date. So that's how it works. All right. So I hope you understand. So this is also an example of arbitrage. This is also an example of launchpad arbitrage that has been launched and is trading already. Now, immediately this coin is launched, it starts trading already. It has a high volatility of going up immediately it's being launched, and you can even make massive profit from it just by holding that exchange is being trading on. This is Binance. Okay, immediately it's been launched, you now transfer it to Binance immediately. Okay, or it can be on Binance, but you now transfer the coin from that exchange to Binance because it's trading there already. So to make more profit for yourself. Okay, so imagine you actually invested $10 or you just used $10 to buy that coin, and it did 205% of that particular coin, which means you have made 205% profit of your $10, which is $2,500. That is massive. Now imagine you use $100 to do the same thing. Imagine how much profit you could make. Okay, to show you how profitable it is. Now, coin listing arbitrage. Coin listing arbitrage simply is similar to Launchpad, but a slight different. It simply refers to a system where an exchange is about to list a coin that is already trading on the exchange. Yes, the difference between coin listing arbitrage and Launchpad is that Launchpad is not trading in any exchange, but coin listing is trading in another exchange. Just that one particular exchange that is not trading on want to list it. So you cannot take advantage of the price difference to make profit for yourself. This is massive. Okay. And if you look at the right hand side of me, you can see the perfect example of coin listing arbitrage, which was done this year, January this year. Like I told you, coin listing is being done every single day. Every single day, every single day. So you can be making profit every single day. Look at it here at this picture screenshot you are seeing here. Okay, we purchase we purchase on the 17th, and we sell it back on the 18th. We draw it on that same 18th. So you can see the time difference there: 3 a.m., 3 a.m., and 4 a.m. Just 24 hours. Just 24 hours. So which means you can be making this money every 24 hours. This was done on January 2023, January 17, 2023. Okay, everything is just within 24 hours of the listing. So you can be making profit every single day with coin listing. But when it comes to Launchpad usually comes 4, 5 to 6 times, or even more, to even 10 times a week. So you can also make more from that. But when it comes to coin listing usually come multiple times, which means every single day there must be a coin listing. Okay, arbitrage. So you can take advantage of that to make yourself some money. So over the counter arbitrage simply means OTC. This is an arbitrage trading that gives you the leverage to buy and resell USDT or BTC across the different exchanges, taking advantage of the price difference to make profit. Yes, this is where you actually take advantage of the price difference of USDT or BTC to make profit. Example, let's say exchange A is selling USDT for $1. Then exchange B is selling USDT for 1.5 cents, $1.05. Now you want to take advantage of those exchanges because of different in price to make profit. You now use your $10, $100 to buy a worth of USDT at the rate of $1 in exchange A, and now resell it back in exchange B for the rate of $1.5. So now you have made 5 cents. You have made 5 cents. Imagine you use $100, $1,000, 2,000, 3,000, depending on your capital. You can make this money 5 cents times that $100. So that is your profit, and you can do this over and over again. In fact, this thing is not, this OTC is not something that is after a day you wait for another day. You can be doing it every minute to making profit, every hour to make it. It depends on how energetic or how ready you are, or how less busy you are. You can be making this every hour. You can be making profit, just taking advantage of them, 2 different exchanges to make profit, rinse and repeat. So that is very simple. It's highly profitable. So these are some of the student results. Some of the students that are actually doing this business model. These are some of their results. Now, at the left hand side, this guy made $230, okay, in the community. That's almost 170,000 naira in Nigeria here. If you're a Nigerian, if you're not a Nigerian, just exchange that in your local currency. You know how much it is. I believe that's huge. So in my Trade and Grow Rich community, he made $230 as profit. You can see the screenshot below. Now, in the right hand side, this guy used $10 to actually make back $10 in less than 24 hours. And $10 is 134 Ghana cedis. That is, if you're a Ghanaian, watching it. So, regardless of your capital, you can actually make profit, good amount of profit from it. You can see the testimonial of what he said. Regarding this, I made almost 100% of my 10.12 USDT I used to participate. My first launchpad participation. It was actually his first launchpad participation. So he made extra $10 plus the capital, which is $20. That's amazing. That's incredible. This is another testimonial by one of my students who made $195 in my community. The screenshot above shows it all. $195 is about 110,000 naira or thereabout. Okay, depending on when you are actually watching it. Okay, because the price of this exchange, the price of this dollar conversion normally changes. So you can see the testimonial, the screenshot there. Say you don't gain $105. What next? Nothing more. Wow. Ibrahim is congratulating him for his money that he just made. So you can see everybody is winning. So if these guys are making it profitably, I believe it's time for you to actually do the same thing they are doing to make money for yourself. It is very risk-free, simple to do. Okay. Now, what made this arbitrage model so special and unique? Of course, there are some certain things that make it so special and unique for better understanding. In fact, for quick access with zero stress. It is not a mining stuff. This is not a mining platform or mining app. You're not mining anything. Okay. This is not an airdrop whereby you need to check whether it is scam or not, because a lot of people are falling for a scam airdrop, thereby scamming even their asset they already have in their wallet. No, it is not in anywhere connected to any airdrop form or whatsoever. Like I said in the beginning, it's not a crypto trading. You don't need any technical analysis to analyze, check, cross-check to do it. Everything has been done for you. Okay, everything has been done for you. So it's no signals needed. You don't need any signals to trade anything. No in-depth knowledge needed. Of course, everything has been done for you. So you don't need to start cracking your brain. Okay, what will I do? Which exchange will I buy to avoid getting scammed? Which one? No, you don't need all that. Everything has been done for you. Highly profitable and very safe. It is highly profitable and safe. Okay, it is highly profitable in the sense that You can even make more than $2,000 every month, okay, depending on your capital. The 100% capital protection policy. This is why I love it, because I don't like losing money. So my capital is always safe, which means this arbitrage opportunity has a 100% capital protection policy. You're not losing any single money from it. Okay, you're not losing. Remember, in crypto trading, you are tend to lose or gain. Okay, because there are technical analysis involved. You need to do some research. You need to work on your analysis before you trade. But when it comes to this arbitrage, you're not needing any of those things. And that's why your capital is 100% safe. Okay, you're not losing any money. Any single money, you're not losing it. Trust me, this is amazing. Okay, and this is why I love it, because me, I don't like something that will make me lose money. I like something that when I'm putting money in something. In fact, whenever I'm doing business with any business, I like my capital to be safe for me. Okay. Number six is a beginner friendly, that even a 5-year-old kid can do it. Yes, even an unborn kid knows how to do it, because it is easy. It's so easy to do. Here is another testimonial by one of my students. You can see he's a Nigerian actually. He just made $174, okay, after 5 days of joining, getting access to this particular opportunity. Now, $174 is 130,000 naira. Of course, he's a Nigerian. So the profit, you can see what he said. The profit for today withdrawn successfully, $104, approximately 130,000 naira. Boss, thank you so much for this opportunity. I never regret meeting you. I'm not even up to 5 days. I registered for and I started making it. People are really missing something on this space. Of course, people are really missing something. I don't want you to actually be part of those people that are really missing on this space. I want you to be part of the success and part of those people that are giving that testimony on how this thing have been helping their lives and all that. So on the right hand side is another student who made $164. Okay, it's actually me. Actually, I just write a message here. Okay, how much I made in just few hours. Okay, I made $164 here. So this is me writing in my community to show them how much I made for the day. All right. So if all these guys can do it, why won't you do it? Of course you can. So here is another testimonial. $240 made by two members. Okay, in same trade and grow rich community. The right hand side is another guy who made $30 profit just by following what I told him to do. He just made $30 profit. I know that's a whole lot. Okay, you can see these guys, they are giving out their testimonies of how this arbitrage trading is changing their lives and all that. Now, these are frequently asked questions. Number one question people all do ask, of course, you might be asking it right now. Okay, these questions might be going through your mind right now. Is it a Ponzi? No, it's not a Ponzi. No, hell no, it's not a Ponzi. This is not something that crash. Okay, the exchange now crash. I can't withdraw my money. This one. No, it is not that. Your money is 100% safe, and you withdraw it directly to your bank. Okay, from that exchange. All these things are what you need to know. Okay, does it comes frequently on a weekly basis? 100%. It comes multiple times on a weekly basis, so you have the opportunity to milk on it every single day. Does it require technical analysis or technicalities or analysis? No, it doesn't require any form of technical analysis. It doesn't. Okay, how do I withdraw directly into my bank? You withdraw directly into your bank from that exchange, which I'm going to show you how to do that yourself without needing anybody to tell you what to do. You do it yourself. Like I said, everything has been done for you. Do I need signals? No, you don't need signals. I've already been saying it. No signals needed. It's not a crypto trading. Does it have a capital protection policy? 100% capital protection policy. No losing of money. It's a risk-free business model. How long do I start making money? Immediately you have access to the information, you start making money because you have followed the instruction given to you. What is the minimum capital to get started? $10. You can start with as low as $10. Okay. In some cases, you can even start with $5. Okay. So, but as low as $10, so you can start with. So, this testimony going on right now, I know you might be asking yourself, how do I get started? How do I get started? Now, look at another testimony of a girl who just made, look at what she said. She said, Bosirio, happy new month. Of course, this was happening earlier February, something like that. I just made $107 last night with arbitrage trading. This update is rare and people are yet to know about it. To know these are still in the dark world. I never believed this. The most simplest way of making extra income until I tried it out. I'm the first person that actually signed up. Of course, she actually signed up during the last training I had the other time. So you can see she have made up to $107, $107, which is almost 90,000 naira because she's a Nigerian. So the other hand is Mr. J, who made 150K at the weekend. He said the weekend is soft for him. So these guys are making money. And I know you might be thinking, how do you make your own money? Don't worry, I'm going to show you everything step by step. So here is another one. This guy made $156. Okay. And he said he's going to send me a breakfast, something like that. So I'm so happy for him. So in my Trade and Grow Rich community, I have over 800 students, depending on when you are watching this video. It might be up, it might be more than that by now. Okay. But depending on when you're watching the video, I have over 814 students who are making it on this very opportunity called arbitrage trading. So you can see these guys are making crazy profit for themselves every single day. Now, I know you might be asking, how do you get started? Before I tell you how to get started, this is what you are getting from this arbitrage trading, arbitrage profit system, and also what you are getting from my Trade and Grow Rich community. First of all, you are getting introduction to arbitrage profit system, which worth over $12, 8,500 naira if you're a Nigerian. Number two, you are getting access to centralized exchange needed for this. Remember, not all exchanges are needed for this. The exchanges which are verified, tested, and trusted, and are working for us over the years. Okay, and we're using it to actually make this every single day. So it's not exchanges you see out there are good for it, unless you want to start losing your money. You want to start losing your money in a thin air. So that's fine for you. So this thing is worth $25, which is 15,000 naira here in Nigeria. Then how to verify those exchange for easy acceptance. If you don't know how to verify them, they might easily even ban you. So I'm going to show you how to verify these exchanges and it start working for you immediately with easy stress. Yes. And it's worth $30, which is 20,000 naira. How to spot high profitable coin? Okay, you know how to spot this high profitable coin. I'm going to make you a massive money every single day. It's worth $60, which is 45,000 naira. How to withdraw a profit directly to your bank? If you don't know how to withdraw a profit, no matter where the country you are, you might get your money stuck. So I'm going to show you how to withdraw your profit directly to your bank. And it's worth $40, which is 35,000 naira. Coin flipping, which is taking advantage of this coin to make profit, it's worth $100, which is 75,000 naira. The sum total of everything is just $267, which in Nigeria is 198,500. But wait, let me ask you this. Let me ask you, if this arbitrage trading helps you make at least $1,000, which is 750,000 naira every single month, in the next 30 days, how will you feel? Like, how will you feel? Tell yourself the truth. If this helps you make $1,000 minimum in the next 30 days, how will you feel? Just like this guy at the right hand side, he said, hi, DSChain Kryptonite. Good evening, sir. I just checked my wallet now. What I'm seeing, they shock me. Okay. I never believed there is an update like this. People are making money like so. To make $1,000 with Launchpad Arbitrage is very easy. First, dude is very surprised that he actually made $1,000. He could make $1,000 with Launchpad Arbitrage. So you can see the conversation. He just made $259 today. A single day, he made $259 a day, which is 194,000 naira in Nigeria. So he said that the only regret is for not starting earlier. That he could have buy a car if he started early. So this could be you, okay, in the next few minutes. Okay, this could be you giving me this kind of testimonies. That's what I love, because I love to see people grow. Okay. Now, before you get access, here I want to ask you again. I know you might be wondering how to get access, but I'm not going to charge you $200. You're not even paying $200 to get access to this, which is 50K. You're not even going to pay $150. Even if I know that in the next few days, you're going to make back that money. In the next few weeks, okay? And it's something that is last time. So you're going to make back that $150. No, I'm not going to charge you that. Not even $100, which is 75 days, which is considered very, very low. You're not even paying that. Yes. Because I understand the condition, the economy of the country, everything is hard. Inflation is hitting us. And that's why you need to actually get access. So that's it. That's just it. So to get access, the price is $60. The price is $60 to get access. Okay, so which is for 5,000 naira if you're in Nigeria. But just like I said earlier, that I have a huge offer if you are to register in the next 24 hours or less. Yes, if you are to register in the next 24 hours or less, I have a huge offer for you. Yes, remember I said at the beginning of this webinar, video webinar. Now, if you are to register in the next 24 hours, and because you have made it to this very end, now you are getting access with $25, 15,000 naira. $25 in Nigeria is 15,000 naira. You can check how much it is in your country if you are not a Nigerian. Now, this is a massive discount, and it's a $35 discount, okay, which is 30,000 naira discount off. Okay, so you can actually get access with this amazing discount offer, a one-time payment of $25, which is 15,000 naira. And if you look at the right hand side of it, you can see what this guy said here. He said, "Boss, I must tell you the truth." He actually saw one of the things I post in my status, my WhatsApp status. He just replied it with, "Boss, I must tell you the truth. This opportunity you showed me is far way bigger than what I paid for. I couldn't even stand the joy of making money with it. For the past 2 weeks now, I've made up to $900 with Launchpad Arbitrage. If I'm you, I'll be charging. So if I'm you, I'll be charging $500 or more for it." This is how people are making money people are making money in a cool zone like this. So you can see this guy is even shocked for what he paid is not even worth it. So because they have made back, in fact, they have made somebody have made $900 in just space of few weeks. So how much do you feel how much do you feel that it worth it? Okay, how much do you feel? I know it meant a lot, okay, to see how this is a steal. It's a steal for me. Yes, it's a steal because you can't be making $1,000 every month. You are paying penny for it. So if I'm you, I will just be warming up to get access immediately without wasting of time. So, and these are extra 5 bonuses for those that will actually register in the next 24 hours or less. Yes, remember, I'm keeping time. The time you actually get access to this video, to the time you're going to reply me that you have watched it, okay? Then if I check, if it is more than 24 hours, you're not getting access to it. If it's more than 24 hours, you're not getting access to it. All right. So that's just it. But if you register within 24 hours, you're getting access to these 5 bonuses. Number one is over the counter trading, which is OTC, which worth over $100, which is 75,000 naira. Number two is coin listing arbitrage, worth $40, which is 30,000 naira. Is pair arbitrage. Pair arbitrage. Remember, I said number one is OTC, which worth over $100. Number two is coin listing, which worth over $40. Then number three is pair arbitrage trading, which worth $25, which is 15,000 naira. Number four is triangular arbitrage, which worth $45, which is 35,000 naira in Nigeria. Number five is make $500 in next 30 days policy, which is priceless. This means that in the next 30 days, you are able to make $500 minimum. The $500 minimum, I'm going to refund you back the money you made. Okay, you made for the payment you used to register in this opportunity. So I'm going to refund it back to you as a congratulatory message that you have done well. In fact, you actually did well in this, taking advantage of this business model. But remember, this total of this is $210, which is 155,000 naira. You're not paying any dime for it. Those people that actually register in the next 24 hours after getting access to this video are not paying any dime for it. Yeah, you're not paying any dime for it. You're getting everything for free. And these bonuses are hot bonuses that are highly profitable. In fact, one of these, only OTC can be making you $100 every single day if you're serious with it. Now, the right hand side of me, you can see the testimony of this guy on my OTC group. He said, today target is $100. By God's grace, I will reach $22 already. By God's grace, I will reach $22 already made in 1 hour plus. You can see here, his target for the day is $100. William target is just $100, but he already made $22 in less than 1 hour. Imagine how much you could have made in the next 24 hours. That's how profitable OTC is. The same thing with others, they're highly profitable. So these 5 extra bonuses for those who are registering in the next 24 hours. So if you are not one of those people, I'm sorry, you will miss it. So this is also a pair arbitrage trading, which is also one of the bonuses I'm giving out to these people to you when you actually use the next 24 hours. So you can see the review of this guy. You can see the review of this guy in the pair trading. He said, "Thanks, boss. It's a product of your mentorship. God bless you for this. If I continue like this, by 6 months, I will hit 1 million naira." He's actually a Nigerian, actually. So that's it. So what you need to do right now, the only thing you need to do right now is to just get access immediately. The registration link is here already. So copy the link and copy it just like the way you are seeing it like this. https tinyurl.com/growish. Type it in your browser, in your Google browser, and search it to proceed with your registration. And after that, send me a WhatsApp message that you have registered with proof in the number below, which is my number, +238102531772. So note, very important, note, register 4 hours. You're not getting access to everything because you have lose the bonuses. So you're only registering with the normal price. So, but because of network issues, those people that might be having network issues, some people that might be having network problems, if you're Nigerian or Ghanaian, okay, this is the payment details. So what you need to do as a Nigerian, copy this account number, the bank name, and the name to make a payment of 15,000 naira. Send me a proof using the number below. If you're Ghanaian, do the same thing. 300 Ghana cedis is what you're going to pay using the payment details I mentioned for Ghanaians. Zulaba Enterprises. You can see the account number. The name is Momo number. Okay. So for Kenyans, sorry, this Kenya and Cameroonian just miss is the last one. So for Kenyans, their card name is Binka Ademuliyi. Their card number there is the M-Pesa is the destination. Okay. You are expected to make 3,000 Kenyan shillings. Send me a proof using the number below, which is my number as well. So for Kenyans, make payment to the make below, you are seeing on the right hand side. For Cameroonians, Ekene Pascal, MTN Momo is the name. So you can see the account number there. So you're expected to make payment of 20,000 Cameroonian CFA. So send me a proof of your payment in the number below. In the number below is a WhatsApp number. Just WhatsApp me on the WhatsApp. +234-8102-531772. That is the name. Account WhatsApp number. So we have come to the end of this training. Remember, your choice is. Sorry, I didn't mention one thing here. Sorry. For crypto payment, if you are to pay with cryptocurrency, which is USDT or BTC or whatever, okay, just message me with my number +234-8102-53772 to get a receive address of any crypto you want to pay with. The payment is just $25, so message me. So this is the end of this training, the end of this video webinar. So remember, the choice is yours. You can only change the financial situation only with one decision you made today. You can be a testimonial we give tomorrow. So I look forward to seeing you on the other side. I look forward to seeing your testimonies. I look forward to share a whole lot with you. I look forward to show you how you can start leveraging on this to make massive money for yourself. All right. So thank you and see you on the other side.